Mula Dagupan City, bumiyahe pa papuntang 4 Point Freeport Zone sa San Fernando City, La Union si Diana noong Sabado. Sa unang pagkakataon kasi, mabibisita niya ang isa sa pinakamalaking floating book fair sa mundo. Ito ang MV Dulos Hope.
Actually, this is our first time na pumunta makapag-visit ng Dulos. We have a community, homeschool community. And then, shinare lang nila itong Dulos Hope. And so, napag-usapan namin sa aming mga homeschool parents na bumisita ngayong araw na to. So, syempre, dahil nga books, yung mga kids namin kasi talaga ina-expose namin sila sa mga living books.
Miyerkules, March 6, dumaong ang MV Dulos Hope sa 4 Point Freeport Zone sa lungsod, matapos itong dumaong sa Subic, Zambales noong February 11. Ang International Floating Book Fair ay opisyal nang binuksan sa publiko noong Huwebes, March 7. Makikita sa barko ang mga libro gaya ng devotional books, novels, relationship and marriage books, children's books at samut-sari pa.
So we visited the Philippines before in years previous, but we're so excited to be here again. So with this new ship, the MV Dulos Hope, it's much smaller, so we can actually go into different places where the biggest ships, our sister ship Logos Hope, hasn't been before. So we're just coming back to this place just to make our ship known to people so that when we go to new places, we'll have a great voice and history of the Dulos Hope.
Ang layunin ng book fair ay makapunta sa iba't ibang lugar at magbahagi ng kaalaman sa mga tao.
Yeah, our purpose of the ship and the book fair is to go to different countries, different places and share knowledge, help and hope. So knowledge through our book fair and sharing of the different cultures and literacy that we have on board.
Hindi rin ito pinalampas ng ibang mga residente mula sa mga kalapit na probinsya gaya ni Carlo na mula pa sa Ilocos Sur at si Ismeña.
Aside from this itinerary na napunta namin ng cousin ko kasi, pumunta pa kami sa Luna and then ito yung final destination namin. Worth it. Napakaganda po. And then actually, first time rin ng cousin ko kaya mas maganda na isama ko rin siya for a good experience na makakuan dito ng barko.
Maganda, masarap. Masarap sa feeling. Senior na kami kasi kaya ini-enjoy namin yung habang malakas pa kami. So, thank you so much kasi meron na namang Dulos. At saka may nagbigay sa amin ng ng ipang-entrance namin, although free pala kami na senior.
Maliban sa iba't ibang libro, maaari ring makasalamuha ang mga crew ng barko, makapag-selfie sa deck at makapagkape habang nagbabasa ng libro.
That more than buying the books, they can also come and talk with us and we would like to have a conversation with them, connect, and have a good time, a fellowship with them.
Mensahe naman nila sa mga nais bumisita sa barko.
Yeah, we would love for people to come and visit our ship. As I said, we share knowledge, hope and hope, and we have a multicultural crew on board, so we would just love for people to come and hear our stories, hear where we're from, and we would love to get to know the people and to share that hope and hope and the knowledge of the books. If they buy the books, it would just be so great to meet people.
Ang MV Dulos Hope ang isa sa pinakabagong floating library ng Operation Mobilization na pinapatakbo ni Gut Butcher Feral na isang German charity organization. Sila rin ang nasa likod ng pinakamalaking floating library na MV Lugos Hope na muling bumisita noong July 2015. Ang floating book fair ay magtatagal hanggang March 24 at susunod itong bibisita sa Manila at Batangas. Reynalyn Palami para sa Luzon Headlines.